Guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can host the WebGL export of a Unity game through Node.js. So let's get started. I already have a game made by me in which you have to waiting. Okay, you have to move the player and protect it from walls. Like that, and break the walls with the ball. So let's come to point. So first of all, you need a WebGL export of your game. So make sure that you are using WebGL platform. If you are using WebGL platform and everything is okay, you can just go to File, Build Setting, and get your game built. So after getting your game built, you will get a folder with three things in them: build, template data, and index. Index is the HTML5 which you're gonna get after building your game, through which your game will run. We also the couple of folders. One is build, in which you will find some stuffs like JavaScript file, GZ files, and template data folder containing all the pics which will be required for playing the game. So, okay, we already have a website with us. Uh, we are going to hit the play button and want that game to be played. So we are using Node.js as a server and MongoDB database. Okay, uh, we are writing our codes on Node.js. Okay, so what we have to do is first we have to go to our website folder, and we can just copy the folder what we got from the Unity, and we can paste it to our website folder. Yeah, that's it. So now we'll go to Node.js script, and what just we want is that when we will hit this roborunner play button, so it's throwing a roborunner.html get. Why? Because I have set it through my jQuery script. Okay, on clicking roborunner play button, the get request is sent for roborunner.html. So first of all, we have to handle this request. For this, we are going to make a get method app dot get method on getting the request of robot. Actually, I'm not sure, so let us see. It's roborunner.html. Okay. Response, we have two parameters, and first of all we are going to set the write head to 200, which means everything is okay, we can continue. And content type, to HTML or text, because what we are going to throw is HTML or text file. So text HTML. So what's the okay. Now it's okay. Just print a statement that user has requested row runner.html so that we can know that from the server side that which page is the demand of the user. So here express is used as file stream. It's a module which I have imported in my NodeJS script. So what we are doing here is creating a root string so that we can access have the access to the exact location of the HTML file which we want to uh, throw or make the user use it. So in our case it's inside robot runner folder and it's index.html. Okay, so same here, dot stands for in directory robot runner, I think current robot runner. Okay, slash index dot html dot pipe. We are using pipe method to send the web page. Okay, now let's see what happened. Our server has been restarted because I'm using Nodemon. Going to the main page, and now when I click play button, look, I got some errors. So this video is actually about clearing these errors. Whenever you do this, you find these things. You cannot directly, host the game. You have to actually use the website needs these files to run the game, but we are not transferring these files to the website. So what we have to do here is by get method we have to pass every file in this folder to make the game actually work. So for that we are going to create a function. Okay, we are going to create a function, maybe name robot runner function. Okay, in this function we are going to send every file from the couple of folders, build and template data to the website one by one. So whenever the demand of the file will come from or the request will come from website, then our Node.js will handle it and send them one by one. So for that, let's make starts. I'm doing this because I just like the way to know where a function is starting and ending because it will require so many get methods and it will look like so lengthy. I have already made the functions for some of my previous games. Okay, come on, function robo runner function. So first of all, what the error we are getting is robot.runner.html failed to load. The server response with robot.runner.loader.js status 404 not found. So thing is that it's not able to get the loader.js file. which is actually in the build folder. I think, yeah, here it is. So for sending that one, where is my function? Okay, when we get the request of the loader, okay, unity loader.js. So we have to send it. I have already written the code. I'll copy it and paste it in my Robonaran function and I'll explain. So when the request for unity loader.js will come, we are sending them a JavaScript file which is stored inside my Roborunner folder, not letters folder. Okay. So what we are doing is we are giving unity loader as per the request from the website. Similarly, each file. Okay, now just save it and we'll go back again. We will refresh. So one error has been debugged. Similarly, for every file in the folders, build and temple data, we have to send each and everything the same way we did this one. For that, there are so many things here. I made get function for everything like unity progress.js, fave icon dot. Wait, why it's so fast? I don't know. Okay, so unity progress.js, we are sending it, and save icon.ico, which is inside the template data folder, and again we have style.css inside template data, and we have WebGL.json, we have letters.webgl.version.code.unityweb, and similarly we have like dozens of files which we need to send it to the caller. So we'll copy all that and we will paste it there. So just what we have to do is change the folder name because it's not for letters, it's for Roborunner. So we have to just change the folder name to Roborunner, or same for fave icon. Similarly, same thing we will do for style.css. These files are what we get inside the folders when we build an WebGL game. Now we have to send WebGL.json of Roborunner. So it's Roborunner, not letters. We have to change this one also. This one will be the name of your game or the folder in which you are storing it. One thing, when the file is of type JSON, then we have to change the content type to text/JSON. When the file is of CSS, we will change the content type to text.css or anything that it is related to. For example, if we have faveicon.ico, we are changing the content type to text/ico. Similarly, when we will get a request for WebGL.fasm.code, I'm sending fasm.code as a content type, and we don't want from letters, we want it from robo runner folder. Actually, in my website I have letters folder, robo runner folder, letters folder. For the letter scheme, it's containing the files of build of letter scheme. So there will not letters again. Okay, unity web, because we have got unity web, not from letters folder, we want it from robo runner folder. It's inside the build folder. Similarly, not letter, it should be robo runner, and it is from robo runner folder. And again, not okay, it's correct, WebGL /logo.png. When we will get this request,